Hi everybody, my name is Elena. I live in New York almost 1 year and I'm an artist, but today I'm gonna talk about how can we speak, make some new friends without languages because I learned English since zero, maybe 10 months only. I didn't learn English before, like never, and I learned only here in New York City. But I have roles in the spectacle, in theater, in American theater. It was a festival. I had two scenes with big text. I learned it by Google Translate. It was very interesting, but I had it when I learned English only 2 months. Can you believe it? 2 months, I understand nothing, like really nothing. When I had some interview with casting director, he told me something I think very important. I understand nothing, like not one word, because I was stressed and it was Zoom. It's much hard, right? So yeah, and now I have a lot of friends, community, conversation, because not because I understand exactly 100%. I'm still learning and I still don't understand, sometimes 50%, sometimes more. And but when I came here, I understand English. If you learn different languages, I think it's something the same. English is my language now. I know somebody who live in New York 3 years, 10 years, and don't speak English and don't have friends, English friends or American friends. For me, it's kind of problem, and I think it is because they think I'm not good enough. Well, rule number one, my rule: imitation understanding. Maybe it's kind of crazy, but I really did it when I learned English only 1 month or 2 months. When I came here, I just pushed myself to opening exhibition, to some events. I just came to everybody and just, hi, I'm Elena, how are you? It is. It all what I can, what I could to tell them. It is only my experience, and I do it, and I did it, and I will do it because it works. Because many people want and like to speak. Many people love somebody who listens them. So for you, it is practical listening. It's much important if you really want to understand how exactly they make some words, some sounds, right? For them, it's very nice listening. And communicate, it's not about languages, right? It's about energy, it's about feeling, and you don't need to understand all their information for feel them, for be with them, right? It's kind of like love. If you love somebody, you don't need to speak, you just feel him or her, right? It's kind of like that. So we are all human, and we are all feel someone near us, right? And I wasn't liar. I was just a person who don't understand maybe information, but I understand something more. I understand your feeling about your text. I understand your emotions. I understand your tone. I understand your energy. And it is communicate. It's more communication, I think. So try this, and you will a lot of communication, and you will learn English much faster, because inside conversation sometimes you just want to really understand what he told me, what he tell me, and then you will learn. So my rule number 2: don't be afraid. Be this word. I don't know this word, but I mean, be honest. I'm always, and right now too, I'm always tell everybody, sorry, I don't speak English. or sorry, I don't understand you. Sometimes someone tell me some very like very expressive text, and me, I'm sorry, I don't understand you. And again, oh sorry, don't be afraid, use Google Translate, it's or ChatGPT, it is okay. And you know what, it's every time when I tell someone, sorry, I'm still learning English, it makes us closer. You know why? Because if you don't understand something, you have very nervous, right? Just your body like close, you stressful, you stress, and a person near you feel it, and he don't understand what happened, what I did, or and it's not good for connection. So but if you really honest, if you really open to him, like sorry, I'm still learning English, so I don't understand, it's nothing, but it makes him relax and understand you, like you are not angry or something like that. It's much important for communicate. It's really makes us closer. I don't know why, but when I no, I know why, because when you really open, people feel you and people feel safe with you, and it's much important, feeling safe. People really friendly here in New York City, really friendly. Maybe because it's international city, it has everybody from everywhere. And my rule number 3, find something very really important and interesting to you. So I'm artist, but I love dance. It was my dream learn hip hop from truly street dancers from New York City, because it's kind of like old school, you know, because New York City has very big background about street dance, about street culture. I really love it, and you know, when I came there, I just know I have to understand exactly. I have to understand every word, because every word from them, because it's explaining how can I be much better in the dance. And it's much important for personality me. So thank you guys for your attention, for your time. If you have some mind on comments, please comments. I will so glad if you comments to me, because this is my first video and I want to know what you think about it, how it was. So I hope it was interesting, it was nice. If you love it, just like my video, and thank you so much. Bye.